How does pollution impact the hydrologic cycle? Breaking news in environmental science. The question on many minds today is how pollution affects the hydrologic cycle. With recent reports highlighting water quality issues, this topic is more relevant than ever. Viewers are likely curious about how pollutants are changing the way water moves through our environment. Let's break it down. Pollution disrupts the natural flow of water in the hydrologic cycle. It alters processes like evaporation, precipitation, infiltration, and runoff. Contaminants introduced into water bodies can impact ecosystems and water availability. One major issue is the excess nutrients, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, that come from agricultural runoff and sewage. These nutrients lead to a process called eutrophication in lakes and rivers. This results in rapid algae growth that blocks sunlight. When the algae die and decompose, they deplete oxygen levels, creating dead zones where aquatic life cannot survive. This significantly reduces biodiversity and affects the quality of habitats. Pollution also impacts how water infiltrates the ground and recharges groundwater. Contaminants in soil and surface water can make it harder for soil to absorb water. This increases surface runoff and decreases groundwater replenishment. As a result, streamflow patterns change, reducing the availability of clean groundwater, which is vital for the hydrologic cycle. Chemical pollutants from industrial, urban, and agricultural sources can alter water chemistry. This affects how water interacts with rocks and the cycling of elements within the hydrologic system. These changes can influence water quality in both coastal and inland waters, impacting the overall balance of the cycle. Additionally, pollution can affect evaporation and transpiration. Contaminants on land and water surfaces can harm plant health and change soil properties. This, in turn, can alter transpiration rates and surface evaporation, changing how water returns to the atmosphere. In summary, pollution disrupts the natural pathways and quality of water in the hydrologic cycle. This leads to ecological degradation, reduced water availability, and compromised water quality for human use and ecosystem health. Understanding these impacts is essential for managing water resources sustainably and protecting aquatic environments.